Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Scots and Style. So today I'm gonna review two products from the brand Dot and Key. So the first one is this Dot and Key sleeping mask. This is a skin plumping mask and this consists of hyaluronic acid. So I used this over last 6 months. So in between I had a lot of acne on my face, so I stopped using it, but then I started using it back. So this one basically hydrates your skin. It closes the pores, which whatever open pores you have around your nose, around your cheeks, it closes those, and it kind of makes your skin feel plump and hydrated. So what I do is you basically have to apply it on your face like a thin layer, like a mask, and just wash your face in the morning the next day, and you will definitely see a difference on your face. Apply it for at least a week and you will see that your skin is more plump, more hydrated. Let me show you this one. So this one has a gel like consistency. It also has a spatula for application. So I really love the formula because it's not sticky, does not leave any oiliness on your face, and I have noticed the kind of glow that it gives on face. So I would definitely recommend you to go for this one. And if you have an oily skin, go for this. You can change your moisturizer or your night repair cream to this one as well. So I really love this product and I definitely recommend it. Next product that I'm using from Dot and Key over last 6 months is this Dot and Key Hydro Peel Glow Potion, and this one has 10% of AHA and 2% of BHA, which is really mild for your skin. Now if you're somebody who does not like the granular scrub which is available in the market and your skin is very sensitive, you can go for this one. It basically works like a scrub itself. It exfoliates the upper layer of your skin, removes the dead cells from the skin and makes it glow. Now if you are somebody who has a lot of acne and does not like using the regular scrub, you can also go for this, but this will not show you a drastic change in your acne because this is very mild. The chemical peel that you get done from your dermat, the glycolic peel or the AHA peel, is basically 25 to 30% of glycolic acid or AHA, but this one is very mild. This one is 10% of AHA and 2% of BHA. So this does not start peeling your skin, like the skin starts shredding off when you get a doctor's chemical peel done. This one doesn't do that. So you can switch to this one, and you don't need to use this one every day. You can use it twice or once a week and that's it. And one bottle basically lasts for almost 6 months if you use it regularly. Now I've been using it for last 6 months. I have only used this much. So it's made of natural fruit extracts and it does not have any chemicals, and it smoothens and refines your skin. And this one definitely works like a chemical peel as well as a scrub. So you can use it once or twice a week, depends on how you want to use it. But I feel this is really better than going to the dermat regularly to get a chemical peel done because it's very mild, it does not have chemical, and it's really affordable. So all you have to do is just squeeze in, take few drops, and you just have to put 3 to 4 drops all over your face and your neck, and that's it. Just apply and massage it on your face, leave it for 10 minutes and you can just wash it off with normal water. So I would recommend you to do it in the night time. Exfoliate your face with this and then use the sleeping mask, and next day you will see a nice cleanup kind of look on your face. It feels almost like a cleanup that is being done. And my acne has cleared up. You can definitely see that the acne is no longer on the left side, and I just got 1 or 2 acne because I was traveling and there was a lot of bacteria. I was mostly around my dog. So there are 1 or 2 pimples which I got last 2 days, and other than that I don't have any major acne. And there was something which actually helped me remove the acne and I'm still using it. I'm gonna review that in my next video. So if you like watching this video, do like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.